guess what I did?
What are you doing here?
I called up North Pole and asked my elf if they had any extra ones up there. Guess what we got? You wanna come with me?
Hi! You can see me?
Look what he put on there. Can you read that? Made in the North Pole. Special delivery.
Wow, that's awesome, Jake. What do you say?
Oh my God. Try it out.
I think it might be a little bigger than the one you had, but it's good.
That's awesome.
It's a little bit bigger, so once you get riding that one, we'll get the screen wheels off. Okay?
Move on your hat?
You get it? Yeah, I see you on your tiptoes a little there.
Oh, he'll grow into it real quick. Look at that. Wow, that's an awesome bike.
That's awesome.
Wow, what do you say? I can't believe Santa came and did that for you. That's amazing.
You must have been
Santa,
really good.
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you guys.
So much.
Look at that hat.
Yeah, the elves are busy.
You got an Indian Trails hat.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe this.
Wow.
I just started working
Will
for
that
the
one
photo.
do?
I didn't know that you're going to be
like it?
associated with all this. Look at the wall.
Make sure
I
you
actually
lock
put
it
in
up.
an application
Oh, yeah.
for them.
You did?
Yeah.
What time will you be in the office?
I get there at 10:30.
Because I'll get off at work. I'll get off at work at 12.
Yeah, I know her from my my friend's daughter. She says Kim is my friend, Kim Morrison, and Jesse Morrison. Thank you. You want to take a picture with
Can I get a picture of you guys with Santa and everybody?
Sure.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Smile, Jake.
Smile.
All right.
He's
Let me take one
processing.
more just in case.
Awesome.
Thank you. Can you take one this time?
Yes, I will.
Look,
Thank
one
you.
more.
One more. I'm
Oh,
sorry,
wow.
honey.
And then I want to get a picture.
They're so demanding, aren't they?
Let's practice for real.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks.
So you did good.